Been a long time coming, but we're back at her wine. He's in the hot tent and I'm in the tarp. Ground is absolutely sodden. I think we're going to have to get in the trees. Be maybe a little bit warmer, and the ground's not so wet, isn't it? Coming up on our spot for tonight. It's going to be just slightly in the woods there. Here's the old spot, still holding up alright. Big old fireplace, couple of seats. Just found some wood we stashed from last time, look. Perfect for the burner. DD 4x4 tonight.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
It looks tiny on camera. Big old tent. Right, let me show you my palace for tonight. It's massive. Plenty of room. Absolutely plenty. He's working on the wood gathering. I'll find some more wood with him now. Not looking good on the wood situation. Check out this wood. This is like the driest stuff I can find. Look how wet it is. This is a lot wetter than I'd like. Let's see if there's any dead standings close to the camp. It's all massive trees though, isn't it? We decided just to use hand tools tonight. No saw, just the axe and knife. Do it the old school way. There's quite a few branches here, cut down from last time, look. Don't know who's cut them down, but they should be dry and seasoned. Let's get it going.
I think it is going, mate.
Drying the wood out. Fire's bumbling away. Still struggling with the stove. It's all very, very sopping, as you can see. So, what's your solution, Drufus? Unleaded.
Unleaded.
Right. This is going to have to be a small dosage.
And we're doing this very carefully, right, at the minute. We're not too drunk, so if we do catch on fire, we can roll around in the grass.
Right, you're listening to this now? You're going to have to do the same, right? Right, it's no flame at the moment.
Sort this up first, eh?
Right, just a small dosage first now.
Yeah, just have a little...
We don't want to explode yet, do we?
Not too violent, is it?
No. Not too bad, not too bad.
So that goes from it. Oh, I put it heads on the chest, out. I got a lot of smell of petrol, ain't it?
Oh, yeah. Something about it, doesn't it?
Oh, it's mint, like.
Right, here we go.
Right, watch out now, right, because this will go whoosh bang, I saw now. Watch yourself pop, or you'll go on fire. Ready?
Ready. Ah, fell out a little bit. You got a can here from...
Tonight, Matthew, I'm going to be a soppy
Fifth attempt.
trying to man this get
Fifth
up.
attempt. Can you from Cara? Thank you very much.
How many times have you said her name tonight, though?
Well, it's actually been 5 takes because you've messed up every single time.
I'd like to thank myself
Yeah.
for getting this. Such a gent.
Come on then, review out of 10. So what's this? The AU vodka black grape. 5%.
Swansea,
So, like-
Swansea's own.
Yeah.
Martin Morgan's buying it.
So,
Him and his mate, what's him, this company. Tastes like, honestly, tastes like pop. Have a sip of that much. Like pop, innit?
it's like,
Can't taste
it's
the
like
alcohol.
WKD Blue with extra
Yeah,
sweetness.
grapes. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Well, the mushrooms are nearly done. The fire has been a failure. It's
Been a
burned.
struggle, innit?
It has burned for the last 3 hours, but yeah, not great, not great. So we got sausages. I was going to do sausage and mash with mushrooms, but I forgot the mash. So it's literally mushrooms and then sausages.
What a hole. We be lovers if we can't be friends. How can we start over when the fighting never ends, baby? How can we be lovers if we can't be friends? Ain't no wake up.
Yeah,
Look a bit pink.
not quite done, mate.
Good going. Burgers, cheese, onions.
I got cheese.
Some
we get the small cheese out.
2 slices on each. Red Leicester as well. Get away, you monkey girl. Some brioche buns. What are you having?
Basically just sausages.
Sausages. Oh, you got mushrooms as well, mate.
I was going to do sausage and mash, but I took up the mash.
Waiting patiently.
This is where we want to see. Come on. Look at this.
Hard going, man. Fairly drunk, mind.
What is that?
Heart attack and a brioche bun.
Yeah, but why am I jealous though?
Because we've only got mushrooms and sausages. That's right. Hang on. They definitely give me 3 bottoms. I had 1 top, like. Rats. Hang on. That's
Sorry?
upside down mush. Oh no, that's a bottom and that's a bottom.
What about? Just eat it.
There's 2 bottoms there, is much. It looks like a bloody big, like a McMuffin.
Side.
McMuffin burger, like.
Oh, come on. That's better than the McMuffin burger. Impressions. Come on.
Yeah, it's really good there.
Oh, 10. Oh, fair play. I wish I had a burger now. Oh my god. 6 sausages. Got it.
Out of 10.
Yeah.
It's a solid 8.5.
Sorry. Alright, we got hot dogs with extra burger sauce. With burger bits from bits that Jupiter didn't eat on his burger, so
Frying pan.
oh yeah. Frying pan scrapings. That makes it good. It's absolutely roasting. Can you see how steamy the camera is right now? This is like a sauna in here.
Finally got it going good to eat.
Jeez.
Finally.
It is too hot now, if anything. Been fantastic, probably.
It's not, you probably squeeze 3 in there, I think, or a squeeze, like sitting down like this,
sleep.
like.
I'd sit in, yeah. 3 easy. Oh, it's warm for the first time.
Oh, it's meant that's going lovely, that is, huh?
Where have you been? battle outfit today. I know. Thanks. He's gone. I was going to say thank you for watching, but disappeared like. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that, unsubscribe and give it a dislike. Thank you.